how to set up a 4-channel glider with a AR410 Spectrum receiver. The first thing you would do is to choose what the model type, and in this case it's a glider, and then go to sailplane type. And normally with a 4-channel glider you will pick 2 ailerons and go back and go to monitor, and here you can see the channel number 1 is inhibit, and left aileron is on channel 6. My solution would normally be to make a mix from channel 6 to channel 1, but the transmitter will not allow me to do that. So the trick is to go to sailplane type, and here pick 2 aileron and 2 flaps. And now you can see the left aileron has moved to channel number 1, and right aileron 2, and left elevator and right elevator goes to 3 and 4. And to set up the spoilerons, we just go to camber system and adjust the throws for the spoilerons. And I use the throttle stick to control the spoileron on this one. And go to mixing. And here flaps to elevator. Here you can set the elevator compensation for the spoilerons. Good luck. Good luck.